Like every day today also, we will show you something new. First of all, let us tell you that these people are in a truck, and the truck is driven by a lady, and both her children are with her. And the lady believes that when her children have school holidays, then only she takes her children along so that they too can have some idea of the outside world. And now it is night, due to which these people are looking for a place to sleep. And then what? Soon, the lady and her elder daughter adjust themselves on the bed sheet below, and their younger son goes on the bed sheet on top of the truck. And you guys tell in the comment which country these people belong to, China or Japan. And yes, please give them a lovely like as well.